The adventure of the best friends. In the cozy town of Crestwood, lived two inseparable best friends, Max and Alex. From the time they met in kindergarten, their bond was as tight as a knot. Max, with his wild imagination, and Alex, with his analytical mind, made an odd but perfect pair. Their favorite place was the woods at the edge of town. They spent weekends exploring, building forts, and embarking on imaginary quests. Max, always the dreamer, would spin tales of mystical creatures, while Alex would meticulously plan their adventures, complete with maps and strategies. One summer day, they stumbled upon an old, mysterious map tucked inside a dusty book at the town's library. The map seemed to lead to a hidden waterfall deep within the woods. With a mix of excitement and curiosity, they decided to embark on a real-life quest for the first time. Equipped with backpacks filled with snacks, water, and a compass thanks to Alex's planning, they set off into the woods. The journey was anything but smooth. As they ventured deeper, the landscape began to change. Tall trees formed a canopy above, and the air was filled with the gentle rustling of leaves. Following the map's clues, they navigated tricky terrain until at last, they stood before a magnificent waterfall, its crystal clear waters cascading into a serene pool. Their sense of accomplishment was overwhelming. They high-fived, realizing that this adventure had strengthened their friendship even further. But as they took in the breathtaking scene, they noticed something peculiar, a glint of light from behind the waterfall. With a shared look of excitement, they ventured through the cascading water and found themselves in a hidden cavern. Inside, they discovered a trove of ancient artifacts, glittering gems, and a journal filled with tales of the adventurers who had come before them. The journal revealed that the waterfall had been a secret meeting place for generations of best friends, each leaving behind a piece of their own. Max and Alex decided to add their own story to the journal, detailing their journey and the unbreakable bond they shared. Word of their discovery spread through Crestwood like wildfire, and the town held a celebration in their honor. But fame didn't change Max and Alex. They continued to be the same adventurous and caring friends, exploring the world with wide eyes and open hearts. As the years passed, they embarked on even grander escapades, from hiking mountains to traveling to far-off lands. Yet, they never forgot the hidden waterfall and the magical cavern that had solidified their friendship. Their story became a legend in Crestwood, passed down through generations, a tale of two friends who turned ordinary days into extraordinary adventures and showed the world a bond that could withstand any challenge. And so, Max and Alex continued their adventures, reminding everyone they met that life's greatest treasures are not gold or gems, but the people who stand by your side through it all. The end.